Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're well. So today I'm going to share with you that how to talk about food, especially favorite food in English. Sometimes we hear that actually someone else asks us what is your favorite food. So that times actually normally we say my favorite food is rice or chicken or something like that. We say this kind of word, okay? But today we're gonna learn some extra thing. Like we not say directly what is my favorite food, especially what is our favorite food. So first of all, we'll give some example and then we will say. So, like, if you're a person or if you like to eat some food, so like it can be noodles, pasta, or something like that. So the normal answer, like I like to eat, or like noodles or pasta, something. It depends on you, especially, or like if you just give a good or better answer, so that times you have to say, there are several types of food that I like, such as like if you use such as, so it will be smart, and normally when use for example or for instance, actually for instance and such as, it's an advanced word, and if you use it in speaking, like people will think that you are advanced level speaker. You can say like there are several types of food that I like, such as noodles, pasta, chicken, pizza, and so on. Among them, noodles, or like if your favorite food is noodles, so then you will say my favorite food is noodles. Okay, so whenever you will say like that, so that times people will have intention like what are you going to say, and actually they will be interested to hear the other words and they'll wait for that. Actually, you will take concern from them. Okay, actually they will give you times, actually they will listen you like what are you going to say. Just if you normally say like my favorite food is noodles or pasta or something like that, so that times they will think that you're a simple person. Or if you wanna show yourself to other like you're advanced level speaker and you have a good knowledge about it, so that times you will follow these techniques. Also, you can use the same things, like if you want to say like um if someone else also say like what is your favorite hobby, so that times you can say, you can give lots of example, and then you will say for example I like to go somewhere, like this is a normal answer, so you can use the same thing that I shared to you. So I think it will help you to speak with someone better. So have a good day, all the best.